actually, I got this woven basket. What's good, guys? It's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new here. If you are returning, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. So guys, I'm starting off the video here. I am actually about to prepare dinner, and then I need to meal prep. I got these new Tupperware bowls here. This is basically just a glass storage bowl where you can store away food. I have been really getting tired of like eating the same things for lunch, so I just kind of want to prepare my own for the next couple of days. And we are in a new month, so I'm trying to just stick to the certain diet that I like to eat, which is pretty much a clean diet. So I feel like I run through these a lot. I don't know what my kids do with them or what my family does with them, but I'm always buying these. But anyways, I went ahead and snagged 3 of them from the Walmart, and these are pretty big sizes, so they will actually hold quite enough food. Just since we're already doing tacos for dinner, I got my ground beef packets here. I'm probably just gonna ground up some meat and then probably do like some sweet potato and some rice, and then maybe just pick another side, like kind of alternate it. And that today is Tuesday, so we got Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday I'm gonna try to meal prep for, just to kind of get me through the rest of the week. And I'll probably just have to start all over on either Saturday or Sunday. So we'll see, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get into meal prepping. And then I did get one more thing I want to show y'all too. Now, I grabbed the handle so hard, not me about to break it as soon as I get it, but I got this woven basket here. I've been wanting one of these so bad ever since like a couple summers ago. Like, you can use these things just for like a picnic, like picnic vibes. You can use it for the pool and put like your snacks on and your food on. But I just feel like this is so vibey and so cute, and I can use it for multiple different ways. I'm actually gonna use it tonight just because I'm excited that I got it. I'm gonna put, it's quite a few of us here today, so I'm gonna put all of our tacos on here. We're having Taco Tuesday, so it's multi-purpose, but I'm so excited. I got it from Aldi. Always can find like good stuff in Aldi, so I'm very excited that I finally got one of these. I was gonna eventually order one, but the fact that I saw it in Aldi is just making my little heart happy, because I didn't even have to order it. And Prime do not be priming these days. Like, I had an order, I just had to cancel. They told me it was gonna be overnight shipping, and I literally still have not got the order. You guys know from my last video, I'm redecorating my kids' room. So I ordered my kids some more pillows for their bed, and I ordered me 2 pillows as well, because you have to switch out those pillows, especially if you had them for a while, they start to get a little flat and things. So I ended up having to cancel that order, and then I got this like Sucan face wash, this brand Sucan, that I'm really into right now. It's like a natural brand. You guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, I like a lot of natural and clean products, and I try to use as many as I can, especially if I find a brand that works good. And guys, they did not deliver my Sucan, and I was like, oh my goodness. So I literally only can find it if I drive like an hour and a half away to get it, because they sell it at Sprouts, and I do not have a Sprouts that close to me. The Sprouts is like an hour and a half away, so I decided to order it off of Amazon. Since Amazon has loads of it, they have like a whole Sucan website. I don't even know. I think it's either called Sucan or it's called Skin, and the U is silent. But either way, it's a good brand. And I probably will show you guys when I get back to my room what I'm talking about. If you guys are interested in like a natural body care product brand, that is a good brand, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna put the tacos on here. I'm gonna stop rambling and go ahead and get to prepping everything, because we are hungry, and then I'll show you guys the rest of what I have going on. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm actually starting off, like I said, it's a few of us here, so I'm gonna start off with this big thing of ground beef. I had to get something a little bit bigger than those little grass-fed ones I be getting, because they do not give you a lot in those. So I'm gonna go ahead and ground this up. Then I got my taco seasoning and everything. This is my favorite type of spatula to ground the ground beef with. The little edges here, they do a really good job at grounding. I probably believe this is what this made for, but I'm not sure. But I discovered it one day, and I have just been using this ever since. So just grounding up this here, and then I will show you guys basically my meal prep when I get done, and then my taco.
I used to think the glow was makeup, something I had to earn, but it's water in the morning, letting my body learn. This clean skin, soft light, espresso shows in my eyes. This is how I hold my shoulders when I stop living rushed. I don't chase it, I make space for it. I come back to myself. That's a woman's glow, not loud, but you can feel it. That's a woman's glow. When I'm calm, it gets realer. That's a woman's glow. When I take my time, it's a light I don't chase, it's a light I find. The real glow comes from inside. When I don't need a proof, when I say no without guilt, and I still keep my peace. It's being kind, staying sharp. It's knowing what I allow. It's moving slow on purpose and standing solid now. I protect my energy. I don't pour it out for free. I keep my senses. That's a woman's glow, not loud, but you can feel it. That's a woman's glow. When I'm calm, it gets realer. That's a woman's glow. When I take my time, it's a light I don't chase, it's a light I find. Can't breathe, no doubt, I stay steady. I don't beg the world to see. I don't need the room to crown me. I know what's in me. That's a woman's glow. It's health and it's healing. That's a woman's glow. It's truth and it's meaning. That's a woman's glow. When I live it right, it's a light I don't chase. It's just in my own light. Can't breathe, no doubt. Can't breathe, no doubt.
Alright guys, so the tacos are done. I cut me up a little avocado too and seasoned it. But these are the tacos. Alright guys, my bowls are done. So these are my nicely prepped bowls. Got some grass-fed beef. It's still smoking because I just took it out of the skillet. But I'm gonna let it cool down before sticking it in the fridge. But then, like I said, grass-fed beef, rice, sweet potato, a little avocado, and all three of them. And yeah, this is my meal prep for the rest of the week. And I'm so proud of myself for actually doing it. And yeah, we're gonna see how long I can keep this going because I love it. I love it. Alrighty guys, so I did get some packages. I'm assuming that it is my kids' comforter set for my boys' room. And then also my new vacuum. I'm so excited to have my Shark vacuum back. So I'm gonna open this one first because that's what I assume this is. I don't exactly know until I open it, but we're just gonna cross our fingers that this is it. Just using some little scissors here to cut it open. And yeah, this has to be it because it's kind of heavy. And that's the only thing that I ordered that was heavy. Like I haven't had any other vacuum like my Shark vacuum that just did the job how I wanted to. And it has like the headlights on it and it just really does the job. So I just needed that back in my life ASAP. before this was like a shiny gray. This is more like a gray, which I'm not mad at. I was definitely in love with my other one. I believe the cord or something got messed up on that one. I'm not sure, but we're gonna see what this one be like, because I definitely need to get it back. I can't even remember. Oh, this is just the hose. It snapped right on in there. Back in my whole room with it. Once I get all of these boxes and stuff out of the way, I gotta get this stuff out of the floor first. I'm gonna give it a good vacuum, but yes, I am definitely happy. And I'm gonna open this other package here. Like I said, I think this is just my kids' comforter for their bed. And yep, it is. I got one. And then the other. So yeah, I was definitely waiting on these comforters to put on my boy's bed. I think they match perfectly. I searched all up and down Amazon for them, for the perfect one. So I definitely feel like it's better than spending hours in several stores trying to find the perfect comforter. And these days, unless I really just want to go in the store for the vibes and shop, I will. But I just feel like we got Amazon. We can order it. Unless I just, if it's something that I just want, and I want to have it in my hand the same exact day, then I'll go to the store. But if I could wait a day or two or three and just avoid the hassle, I would just order it. And I think this is just something my son wanted me to order for him. So yeah.